The DACA program may have gotten a reprieve late tonight, but for now, Colorado has joined a lawsuit challenging President Trump's decision to end it. The program protects people whose parents brought them into the country illegally as children. Governor Hickenlooper split with the state's top prosecutor when he announced joining that suit today. Our Stan Bush at the Capitol right now. Stan, the state attorney general won't take the case.
Jim, that's right. Governor Hickenlooper ran into resistance just across the street from the state capitol and had to appoint private counsel. Ultimately, the courts will not decide the fate of DACA, but the lawsuit hopes to keep the program surviving until a solution can be found in Congress. Governor Hickenlooper threw Colorado into the mix of states arguing the move to abruptly end DACA breaks the law, saying the order to immediately halt the program violates due process by suddenly changing the rules for young immigrants. In a statement today, Hickenlooper saying President Trump's decision to end the DACA program is outrageous and risks the futures of more than 17,000 Coloradans.
But I don't have to represent him, and that's what I've chosen not to do.
State Attorney General Cynthia Kaufman, a potential Republican gubernatorial candidate, declined to represent Colorado in the lawsuit after reviewing briefs from Republican and Democratic state attorney generals who are suing to protect DACA.
This, to me, is not the right forum for the discussion because a court ruling is not going to resolve the issues of DACA. This debate needs to take place in the public arena.
Both Kaufman and Hickenlooper agree that Congress is the only lasting solution for Dreamers, but the governor defends the lawsuit, saying it, quote, sends a necessary message that the rule of law and basic notions of fairness still matter in this country. And new this evening, initial reports indicate that Democratic leaders Nancy Pelosi and Senator Chuck Schumer struck a deal with President Trump this evening to save the DACA program. According to those reports, the deal would make DACA permanent and fund border security, but it would not fund a border wall. We're live tonight in Denver. Stan Bush covering Colorado First.
Thank you, Stan.